Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.
Find that which is not changing. First, everything that's changeful is coming. Ninja. And he said, no, pay attention to what's not changing. And gradually, only what's not changing is there. That even what is changing becomes what's not changing. Do you hear what I'm speaking like this? At first, the changeful, and your head, and says, pay attention to that. That even the head is moving, is watched, and something is still. And you stay in the stillness, and another thought comes, and still you stay here. And he says, yes, your mother is on fire. Yeah, but it's okay. Yeah. And he said, I know this is a trick. Things come in. And then somehow, no effort at all. Then what was changeful becomes unchanging. Isn't it like that? I gave the example before, and I'm going to leave today's satsang with this example because I think it is for everybody. You're going out to drive, can you imagine? You're in the car and you're learning, you've studied. Imagine a driver like that. They have studied all the book of driving. And now today, after a few lessons, the instructor says, we're going to go on the highway. You say, oh, are you sure I can do it? Yes, you're going to go on the highway today. So on the highway you're going, driving now. And driving, and then suddenly it starts to rain. Little bit at first. And the instructor says, put on the windscreen wiper now. And you, okay. And suddenly you start to go with the windscreen wiper. Oh. And the car is going. And you panic. People go, what are you doing? So, whoa, can I turn off the windscreen wiper? He says, no, just focus on the road. But the windscreen wiper, the car is going, no, just focus on the road. He said, but the other cars are coming in very fast, and I think I'm going to crash. Focus on the road. Then more rain is coming. He says, could you turn the speed up? And then now, whoa. And then you say, no, please, I can't, I'm losing control. Focus on the road. Can I go into the slow lane? Stay in this lane. Focus on the road. Can I slow down? No. Focus on the road. But I can't control the car. Focus on the road. Then at some point, focusing happens. When focusing happens, it doesn't matter if the windscreen wiper is going like this or it doesn't make any difference because the focus has happened. It's the same thing. Mooji, but my thoughts are getting focused on the self. Yeah, but it's a big thought, Mooji. It's too big. Focus on the self. Oh, but there's now lots of thoughts are coming on my feelings. I just feel like I can't do it. Stay as the self. Yes, but my mind's going to explode. Let it explode. Stay as the self. But help me. Teach me some mantras or something. Stay as the self. But how can I stay? Show me how, what techniques. I understand intellectually. Stay as the self. And now thoughts, wow. You okay? Wow. You sure? Yeah. Are you tight? Stay as a self. You're panicking. But how am I going to do when I leave here? Stay as the self. But what happens when you're gone, Mooji? Stay as the self. It may sound oversimplistic, even naive as an advice, but it is the sage's secret. And it works. Don't keep picking up thoughts, oh, I must do that, or do this first. Just stay there. When you're staying in that self-aware state, you're not paralyzed, you can breathe, you can answer your emails, but still here. I don't tell you to take you out of life, to go into some monastery. No, I say, this is your monastery. This is your ashram. This is your temple, this is your home, this is yourself. Know this and move wherever your heart and life and the winds of life and existence takes you, because you will always be fine. And even the day when this body shall fall, you will be here to watch it also. So, it's been a beautiful time, beautiful season, a chance to be with you. You're all inside my heart. And whenever you have that call to be home, to pay attention, do like I point you, not more, not less. It's simple enough as it is. Stay as you are, as I've pointed to you. I have total confidence in you because everything you need is already with you. I have not told you you have to need some instrument from another room or from another place. Pay attention to only that. And by you'll find the right balance somehow with the outer life. It's all passing anyway. That's not your real place. This is our playground for now. But your real place is here. Whichever dimension you go to, it will serve you to still be here. This is what I have to share with you.
Om Namah Shivaya.